This is a demonstration of budget management application on CELF. You will need to download CELF on your computer since the CELF operates on its own browser. Please enter your company ID, user ID, and password to log in. This is the user screen. The applications that are authorized to each user will be shown. Let's take a look at the Budget Result Management application. This is the menu screen. Please choose the fiscal year and organization. This is the input budget screen. You can navigate through the screen by entering numbers and using the Tab Enter keys. You can also copy and paste using Control keys. If the cell has function entered, the cell cannot be altered from the user screen. On CELF, you can design the cells so that the user can enter only in certain cells. If you click on the Print button on the upper right corner of the screen, you can print out this page. If you click on the Export button, you can download this page to your computer as an Excel file. You can simulate the numbers on Excel, then enter the data into CELF's application. When you press the Update button, the information that has been entered will be updated on the CELF database. Since we just updated the first quarter budget, now let's take a look at the budget result prospect summary to see how the data was updated. We will now go back to the menu and open Budget Result Prospect Summary screen. This page shows the whole company's budget and result difference, and each department's budget and result difference. In the Input Budget screen, we enter the data for the sales department. You can see that the data was successfully updated to the summary screen. If you use CELF, you can centrally manage the data using the CELF database. You can also see the input results instantly if you create tally sheet application like the sample shown. If you click the Graph Display button, the results can be displayed by graphs. You can create application like the sample in the video using the CELF application. This is the end of the demonstration.